video focused on graphing a logarithmic function, but we're going to include transformations. So this slide is logarithmic functions, and we've talked about these transformations already, and you want to focus on the critical point. So remember what happens inside the function is right and left. And I just took this from a quadratic function slide. If it's at the end of the function, then it's going to be your ups and your downs. And then if negatives happen in front of the function, it'll reflect around the x-axis. If it's inside the function, it'll reflect about the y-axis. If you have multipliers in front of the function, it'll vertically change it by stretching it or compressing it. If it happens inside of the function with a multiplier, it'll horizontally stretch or compress it. So we want to first focus on that critical point. So we have this function here in the purple, and we want to graph it. So we notice the base is 4. So what I did first is I just graphed this exponential function with base 4. We've done that already in a previous video. Remember, this is critical point 0, 1, and then one more point 1, 4, and then this is negative 1, 1, 4. If we apply those transformations on the previous slide, what happens when I go minus 4 inside the function is it's going to pick up this graph and move it to the left 4. So here's my critical point of 0, 1. If I move this 4 places to the left, my new graph is going to look like this, over 0, or negative 4, negative 4, up 1. So my critical point is now negative 4, up 1. And then this point of 1, 4 is going to shift to the left 4 units. So here would be 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's move those yellow dots there. So my new point there is now going to be negative 3, 4. Now I create that graph. I have not changed my asymptote. My asymptote still is at y equals 0. My domain is still all real numbers. My range is still y greater than 0, but now my y-intercept is different. I don't have one.